Welcome back to the channel. Hey, so week number 2's word of the week is endurance. Now, that word endurance, it sounds long. What does that word mean? Have you heard it before? Have you used it before? Okay, so the definition for endurance is the ability to sustain, that means to continue, something for a long period of time. Okay, so the ability to work out or be active for a long period of time is the definition for endurance. So make sure you guys stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout and your activity of the day, and I'll see you soon. Welcome to Fast 5 week number 2. Now this workout today is going to be 4 exercises, 2 rounds, 30 seconds for each workout, 1 minute break in between. Okay, so today's workout is going to be number 1, skaters, number 2, lunges, number 3, scissor kicks, and number 4, shoulder taps. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll demonstrate those activities in just a moment. All right, so for today's Fast 5, 4 workouts, it's gonna be again, skaters is 1, 2 is lunges, 3 is scissor kicks, and 4 is going to be our shoulder taps. Okay, so workout number 1, exercise number 1, skaters. So what you're gonna do is you guys can start on your left side or you can start on your right side. It's completely up to you. And what you're gonna do is you are going to leap to the other side. So if I start on my left, I'm gonna leap to the right, and then my left foot is gonna go behind me like this. And then I'm gonna leap to the left, and then my right foot's gonna go behind. So it looks like this. Leap, behind, leap, behind, leap, behind, leap, behind. That's skaters. 2, lunges. Now lunges, I'll do it side so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. You're gonna select one foot or one leg to go forward. I'm gonna start with my left foot going forward. My right knee is gonna go straight down, almost tapping the floor. I'm gonna come up, and then I'm gonna switch, okay? So this is if I let my right foot go forward. Right foot goes forward, left foot goes down, okay? So what you guys can do is you can go up, and then switch this way. Or if you wanted to do a twist, you can go 1 foot forward, turn your body, and then switch. It's completely up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with, okay? Third one, you're gonna go on your bottom. Scissor kicks, similar to our flutter kicks, except instead of going up and down, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go side to side, like a scissor is cutting, okay? Last but not least, our shoulder taps. You're gonna get into a push-up position. So your hands are going to be about shoulder width away. Get into that plank push-up plank position, and then you're going to get one arm, tap your shoulder, tap, and you're going to go back and forth. Okay. So those are the 4 exercises that we're going to do today. Again, 30 seconds each one. After the first round, 1 minute water break, and then we're going to repeat the 4 exercises again. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, skaters. Notice how I'm shifting my weight side to side. If you want to challenge yourself, go faster. Leap further. 1, notice how I'm using my arms to go side to side as if I'm really roller skating or ice skating. 5 seconds left. All right, next one up. We got the lunges. All right, here we go, lunges. Again, you almost want to touch the floor. Do not bang your knee down. You're gonna feel it. Keep going, don't give up. All right, let's get down. Let's go with those scissor kicks. Go. All right, last one, shoulder taps. Again, push your plank, tap, back and forth. Try to keep your back straight as much as possible. All right, 1 minute water break. Right now I'm drenched. I'm sweating like crazy, so if you guys are really pushing yourself, you're gonna be exhausted. Make sure you use that 1 minute water break. Right now you should be focusing on your breathing. Breathe in, and out. Breathe in, and out. All right, we got about 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go with skaters, side to side. I'm challenging you guys to work harder than you did the first round. If you guys want to get more fit, you gotta do these workouts all the way through as best as you can. Challenge yourself. Do one more than you did the last round. Let's say you did 20 of these, try going for 25. You did 10, go for 15. Push yourselves. All right, next one up. Lunges, let's go. I'm actually gonna do the rotation. Oh, I'm feeling it. Woo. All right, next one up. We got those scissor kicks. Side to side. Again, try to get more than you did last time. So only 30 seconds. Push yourselves. All right, last one. Let's go. Shoulder taps. Great job, you did it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout. I hope you guys were working hard. You stayed the whole time. You tried your best. You challenged yourself. Keep up the good work. All right, don't forget, get some water, get a towel, and get ready for your activity of the day. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a game called Builders and Bulldozers. I hope you guys stay tuned and we'll see you soon. All right, so for this game, you're only gonna need 5 water bottles. Just make sure they're empty and you're gonna have them upright just like so. Builders, what you're gonna do is have everything standing. Those are called builders, and the bulldozers are gonna knock them over. So everything's gonna be standing up first, and then we're gonna become bulldozers, knock them over, and then we're gonna use only our foot to build it back up. The goal of this is to try to do it as quickly as possible. It seems easy, but it's actually harder than it looks. So stay tuned and watch me try out builders and bulldozers. All right, so I'm gonna do the 1 minute builder and bulldozer challenge. So make sure you guys stay tuned and let's get things going. Ready and attack. Knock it out with my foot. Again, using my feet. I'm gonna try to pick it up. Ah! Almost got it. I just want to get at least one. Come on. How much time do I have, Jordan? Too hard.
Timer done.
And final score, 0. Let's see how Jordan does. Stay tuned. All right, so Jordan's gonna participate in builders and bulldozers. As a reminder, you must be the bulldozer first, knock them over, build it up with your foot only. All right, Jordan's gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Knock them all down, now it's time to pick them up. Nice and slow. Remember, my final score was 0. Jordan's hoping to get at least 1 and be the victor over this activity. Again, it's all about doing your best, trying your hardest. You almost got it. Very close. We're at 25 seconds. Oh, almost. So close. As a way to help you. Definitely do that. Oh, so close. We're at 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time is up. If you look, Jordan had 1 up, so therefore he wins this challenge. In 1 minute, he was able to get 1 of his water bottles up. So, I hope you guys enjoyed.